Welcome to Brisbane Dirt Bike Rentals. We have a fleet of bikes that caters for all shapes and sizes. We have several lowered bikes that have had a factory lowering kit installed to lower the seat height by 50mm, and also the spring rates and the valving on the suspension to match the shorter suspension travel. This allows a greater feeling of comfort when you're learning to ride by being able to get your feet on the ground instead of riding a full height bike. With our lowered bikes, the lowering is done internally in the forks and the shock. Some people run a lowering link on the bike and raise the forks up through the tubes to get the ride height lower, but this generally affects the geometry of the bike, whereas an internal lower within the suspension components makes sure the bike retains its balance and handling. Not only do we have a full range of late model European enduro bikes, we also have the entry-level Yamaha TTR 230. Make sure you check out our video of our bike fleet. We have a bike to suit everyone, ranging from 250s right up to 500s.